Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Foot odor, commonly known as stinky feet, can be a serious problem. It normally appears when your feet sweat a lot and the sweat can't evaporate due to your socks and shoes. The bacteria that constantly live on your skin grow because of the sweat and dead skin cells, producing the unpleasant odor. There are several natural remedies for foot odor. They must be strictly followed for a certain period of time in order to make a difference. In today's video, we're going to teach you 5 great recipes to get rid of foot odor. Pick one and never curl your nose up at the smell of your feet again. Epsom salt. Foot odor is neutralized with Epsom salt since it restores your body's magnesium levels and fights acidity. Put half a cup of salt and 8 cups of warm water in a large container and soak your feet in it for 30 minutes. Repeat this process once or twice a day. Sage and rosemary. Both of these plants are antibacterial and antifungal and can help reduce how much your feet sweat. All you need is 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dry sage, and a large container. Fill the container with hot water, then add the herbs. Soak your feet in this mixture for 30 minutes. Do it twice a day. Baking soda. Baking soda has antiseptic and antifungal properties and can help get rid of foot odor. Mix 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, 8 cups of hot water, and 1 cup of lemon juice in a large container. Once that's done, soak your feet for 20 minutes. Afterwards, wash your feet well and avoid direct sunlight. Vinegar. Getting rid of foot odor is super easy with vinegar because it easily eliminates the bacteria that cause the odor. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 5 to 8 cups of warm water in a large container. Soak your feet twice a day for 15 minutes. Rinse your feet with cold water afterwards. Black tea. Another great way to eliminate foot odor is by using black tea. Put 5 black tea bags and 4 cups of boiling water in a large container. Let it cool off. Soak your feet for 10 minutes. Then let the mixture get cold and soak your feet for another 20 minutes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.